Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Mamdouh from M Squared Academy. This is our second tutorial in the HTML series. In this video we'll learn how to add images and videos to our web page. So the first step is to bring your pictures and videos in the same folder as your index file and name them easy names that you can remember exactly when you call them in your HTML tags. Here we have the web page that we wrote in the last tutorial. Now let's start with image source. SRC stands for source, and then write the image name. Let's check it. And write the image name between quotation marks. Let's check here the name. Okay, so we wrote it correctly between quotation marks. Let's close our tag and then refresh the page. As you can see here, it works fine, but the image is too big for our web page, so we need to resize it. To resize it, we have two attributes. We have the height, and we will set it to 150 pixels. px stands for pixels, and we will add our quotation marks. And we have the width attribute. Let's set it to 100 pixels. Then refresh. As you can see here, we resized it, but it's still small. So let's set it to 500 pixels and the width 300 pixels. Okay, so we can refresh, and there you go. For our video, we'll write the video tag, which is video, and then we will set the height and the width for it in order to resize it correctly. Let's set it for 500 pixels and 300 pixels as width. Then we will end the video tag in order to prevent any problems. Okay, then we will write src. Always make sure you write the name correctly, which is here is mask.mp4, and we will set the type for the browser to know that it's a video and in mp4 format. Of course there are many formats, but this one is mp4. Then refresh. It shows nothing. That's because even though we checked the name is correct, but we forgot one important word in our tag, which is source, before our src. Now if we save and hit refresh, there you go, it works, but the video does not play automatically and we can't control it, so we have to add this little controls. Let's free some space here. Okay, right here, controls. Save. Let's go back and refresh, and there you go. It works. The controls tag is how you play and pause it, the volume, full screen, all this stuff. Okay, so that's it for now, and as always, thank you for watching.